Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone 6 is ready. Check iOS and free storage so the app runs smoothly. Once done, open the App Store, install or update YouTube, and sign in with your Google account to access subscriptions and playlists. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is enabled, then set playback quality to a lower level if you want to save data. This gets you logged in and ready to browse without interruptions. Now you'll find and play videos efficiently. Tap the search bar and type keywords, then use filters like upload date or duration to narrow results. This avoids scrolling endlessly. Use the Home, Explore, and Subscriptions tabs to surface channels and trending content you care about. When you find a video, tap the three dots to add it to a playlist or create a new one for later. If you prefer a bigger screen, use AirPlay or casting to send video to a TV. Finish by mastering playback and handling problems quickly. Use the scrub bar to jump, enable captions, change playback speed, or activate picture-in-picture for multitasking. If playback stutters, first toggle Wi-Fi or cellular, then force close and reopen the app. Reinstalling clears the app cache. If sign in or syncing fails, sign out and back in. Finally, update iOS if issues persist because system updates often resolve compatibility problems. This sequence gets you reliable viewing and a clear fix to try first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.